This is Adam with Kanen Coffee. Here we have a quick mill Vetrano Evo. It came into the shop because the brew switch wasn't operating the pump. Everything else was working, the PID was working, heating elements were working, the pump autofill was working, but the brew switch wasn't operating. And after talking with Clive and Chris Coffee about their machines, it seems like it had to do with the actual main board itself. The board has a couple relays in here that switch different components, and we didn't hear the relay click when it should have been clicking. So, and actually, you can actually see damage here on the old board right here. So that was probably the culprit. Additionally, whatever caused that, the leakage that caused that short also caused some issue. Probably burnt this switch here, so I ended up replacing that. But here you can see that both boilers are up to temperature, and I'm just gonna test a shot right here, and you can see the water coming through. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching.